Hi, this is Luke Henderson from Professionals at Mermaid Beach, and welcome to Unit 2, 123 Seagull Avenue, Mermaid Beach. Seagull Villas is a boutique block of only 9 apartments, really close to the beach. You're within 100 metres of Hedges Avenue and Albatross Avenue, a patrolled beach at the end of the street, 2 large bedrooms, the master with an ensuite, plus a second bathroom. You want to entertain family and friends? We've got the perfect balcony for you. If you'd like more information or like an inspection, give me a call or email me anytime.